did you have some taste of like the full thing? Uh,
The,
like, yeah.
um, I, I wouldn't presume to say, but I will. I have noticed that over the years, I have calmed down a lot. Maybe I would have anyway, but I'd like to think that my practice has really helped facilitate that. Um, I have been able to really more and more understand what Nichiren and Tiantai and the Garzhen and others are talking about when they say things are empty. And I'd like to think that my practice has really helped me, bring that into my life and understand that more and more in how I live. And I still make many mistakes, of course, but one of the results of this kind of insight is that in Tiantai thought we talk about the three truths. Things are empty, but they're also provisionally existent according to causes and conditions. And the middle way holds both of these together. Uh, Things are empty of a fixed self nature, and because of that, they are able to exist provisionally through causes and conditions. And because things exist provisionally through causes and conditions, they don't have, or they are empty of a fixed self nature. It's not that things are empty but provisionally existent, they're both. And this sounds very complicated and very abstract, but here's what it means practically. And here's what I chant to be able to live in my life. This is why I chant about, to not just know these things, but to really bring them down into my heart, into my body, into the way I live. If things are empty, that means you don't get caught. That means you don't have to have hang-ups, that you can be fully liberated, even in the midst of life. And because emptiness also means things are provisionally existent, that means I can fully engage things and engage their causes and conditions and the causes and conditions that make my life. I can make life workable. So then I can be fully engaged and fully liberated at the same time. And this is what a bodhisattva needs to be. This is what bodhisattva needs to be about, to be have that gracefulness in the world of being liberated but compassionately engaged. So I guess if when it comes to the fourth aim, I really chant about that, to have a deeper and deeper understanding of what it means to be fully liberated and fully engaged in the world.